How to remove Instagram account from Accounts Center. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can remove your account from your Accounts Center. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Instagram app from your device. Also make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Now tap on 3-bar icon on your top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here tap on Accounts Center under your account. Just like so, scroll below and tap onto Accounts at the last option. Here you will see all accounts that has been linked with your Instagram. To remove any account, simply tap on Remove. Then tap on Remove Account again. Tap on to continue. Tap on Yes Remove. Refresh your page, just like so. This is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.